You might be wondering if this is Lagos, Nigeria, because of the beach. But no, this is Akwa Ibom, and this beach is called the Ibeno beach, and it's located in somewhere in Eket. You know, you might be wondering where you could go have fun and relax with your family. Most of the times we all know about Bar Beach, Elegushi Beach, and the others, all located somewhere in Lagos. But this particular beach is located in Eket, Akwa Ibom. Still wondering why people are not marketing and promoting this area, this beach in particular. You know, it's not all about Lagos, Lagos. Lagos has painted this name with gold, and but this a lively beach where you can go, you know, swimming over there. It's a nice place to be. We have to travel all the way from the southeastern part of the country to the south just to see this beach, because I've been hearing a whole lot about it, and I'm so happy to be here. And I'm going to be taking you guys around to see some other beautiful things about this beach. Thank you. So you can see family members are having fun right here. So it's not just only in Lagos, you know. You can look over there, you can see a couple of canopies right there. People are all relaxed over there, catching fun, you know. You can see a whole lot of things going on here, you see. People are happy, smiling, and catching fun. Well, it's not a small thing. Lively